So y'all, welcome back to the next part of the racing lawnmower build. This part, we're going to be taking apart the locked up transaxle and we're going to see if we can fix it. Alright, so the rear end is in neutral. If I try to spin this, oopsie, it's locked up. It's a 6-speed transaxle. I mean, I could put it all the way in 6 and it's not doing anything. Neutral, not doing anything. And neutral, this thing does spin freely. So we obviously do have a problem here. All right, so first, in order to get a better look at this, we're going to move this back plate right here. And there's 2 bolts over here and 2 bolts over here. Dang, that's on there tight. I just want to take the transaxle out. Ugh. Dang, this thing's actually kind of heavy. So yeah, take this off, put a small pulley on. I do need to replace the tires anyway, because I'm not going to be driving around with some dry rotted pieces of bull crap that's going to fall off and spin out and you're not going to get killed on it. Alright, so it didn't really take that long, but I finally got this rusted C-clip off of here, so this pulley should be able to come off now. Why won't this pulley come off? Alright, let's see how you hold up against this. Dude, got a chunk of it off. Alright, what is happening? Finally got this bull crap out of here after about an hour and a half of finger grinding, trying to pry it, all kind of stuff. Oh great, it's starting to rain. Mainly, y'all, I was getting more of a thorough cleaning with it. Yes, finally. All right, y'all, I know this is a completely different shot. This is after I got the engine running. So I got the starter wire, all that stuff hooked up. I got the battery. I bought another battery tray off eBay. Got the battery in there, got the terminals on there. I got the key switch, everything on there. These safety sensors, I'm gonna have to bypass these. So, you know, it's gonna work when I hit the starter. But right now I have the fuse out of it because I put this line here on there, and I originally put that wire in there, but I made an actual mount for it, but every time I did that, it kept blowing the fuse. I don't have another fuse right now, so right now I'm just gonna bypass it. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but it'll be fine. All right, so boom, there you go, there's my fuse. Also, I did the same thing right here on the seat switch. Hey, we're finally off. Ow! No, I got my finger pinched in between the drill and the wheel. All right, so voila. Finally got this wheel off. Now, let's remove these bolts and drop the transaxle. So what I'm gonna do is now, I'm gonna just take this outside, I'm gonna clean this up with some gasoline. All right, so I got this whole transaxle pretty kind of cleaned up. Not the best, but it'll do for now. This looks really rusty, really bad. I tried to get that bolt out there, but that whole part just completely snapped off. Brake pads just welded to this disc. So that probably could be our whole problem. All right, so I tried to get that bolt off right there. It's a 3/8 and it's just completely stripped out. These are rear wheels that came off of it. The front tires seem to be holding air kind of okay. They do leak down after about, I don't know, 2 or 3 days, they're fully leaked down. So I'm going to attempt to try to break these wheels off myself. So I've been out here for about 30 minutes, finally got it off. You would not believe how much crap and how mad I got trying to get that off. That's the inside of the wheel, and yeah, it looked disgusting. Oh yes, the tires are finally here. Not for highway use. 40 miles an hour isn't highway speed, but yeah, we're good. All right, so I finally got one wheel mounted on there. Took a while in order to seat the bead on there, but it's on there. So I just got the second wheel mounted now, and it went a lot easier than the first one now that I kind of had some practice on how to do it. So I got this thing unbolted, and this throttle cable was too short because, you know, I tried to kind of roughly image it, route it right there. It's gonna be right here, and the foot pedal is gonna be right here. So I do have a longer throttle cable here that's for the go-kart. Oh my gosh. That's why I don't put very much fuel in this one. I'm trying to work on it. But yeah, with that all the way over there on that end, it sticks out that much more, and this one's a lot smoother. This one's actual cable, this one's just like a rod. Hey kitty, give me kitty, kitty, kitty. All right, so boom, got the throttle working, and it works very well. All right, so I just got the foot throttle done out of erector set, which is why you never throw away your erector set stuff. All right, so I got the real throttle done, and works very well and is very structurally supported. So the only way to make this work was to bypass the governor, which I certainly don't mind. It's probably better anyway because it's more of a firmer throttle feel, because otherwise, well, before with the governor on it, it just felt like you just tapped the gas and really nothing happened. Now by bypassing the governor, you're gonna be turning this engine really, really high, and you can definitely cause a load of problems if you turn it way too high, which is probably why I'm gonna put a tachometer up here so we can see how many RPMs it's turning. Hey kitty, meow. There's a reason why engines do come with governors on them, so do it at your own risk. So we have full throttle and idle. Just for a bit of fun, I want to do a compression test. Wow, that's definitely good. Almost 140 PSI. So battery's kind of dead, so I put it on charge for a little while. All right, so I just got the Transaxle in the bed of my truck, and we're going to take it over to Daddy's. I can't really film it because he's not big on filming, so I'm just going to show you the finished product when we're done. All right, guys, so we're back now finally. Rear end's here. It's unstuck. So, yeah. And so I'm going to put this back in now, and I'm going to do these brakes off camera because the brake pads and all that stuff aren't in there, but that's definitely cleaned up a lot better. So yeah, and at the time of filming this, it's Halloween. So while y'all are outside getting candy and all that kind of stuff, I'm in this garage, you know, putting a transaxle back in a lawnmower. And I got everything here. I even got a belt that might be a little too long. I mainly got it just so I can cut it to the right length and then go get a new belt. But yeah, if that belt actually works and fits, might be able to drive this thing around the neighborhood tonight. All right, so I got the belt on after a bit of messing around with those little belt guides. Also, we did put new fluid in this rear end, a mix between 75 and 80 W90. So 77.5 W90. Now I'm gonna work on the brakes. All right, so I just got the brakes kind of done. Might need some tuning. So now let's put the shifting linkage back on. Reverse, neutral, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. All right, so it's still daylight, so let's run by the hardware store real quick and get a new belt. All right, so I made it back. Track Supply had one left. And yeah, it's a 1/2 inch by 86. I think the other one was like 85, I think. I swear, y'all, even with the clutch pushed in, it slipped over, but it is just that much too tight for it, you know, spin free. Oh my gosh. All right, so I just got the new wheels on. They look really good. Went on there pretty easy. That's all free now. Even with the clutch pushed in, as I said before, the belt's still this much too short. So I'm gonna have to go out and get another belt. Probably the 88 inch that I saw that I should have gotten, but I didn't because I thought the 86 would be it, but it wasn't. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, because this video is probably already long enough. Next video, I'll get another belt, and we'll be driving this thing around. At the time of filming this, as I said, it's Halloween. A lot of kids are out there, probably y'all getting y'all's candy, trick-or-treating, all that kind of stuff. And I'm in the garage making YouTube videos, putting differentials back in the lawnmower. So I'm pretty disappointed that I'm going to have to run by the store again and get another belt. But I am going to ride something on Halloween night. And the 4-wheeler is what I'm going to ride around the neighborhood for Halloween. Since I can't ride that, it will be driving. Do not worry. But that'll be in another video because this video is going to come to an end. So tomorrow after school, I'm going to go by Track Supply, take the old one back, get another one, and put it on here. Hope you liked this video. If you did, click all the buttons on YouTube. Say click didn't like this video, click on thumbs down twice. And yeah, y'all should see me in the next one.